Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. Today I'm just helping you guys out with a quick, helpful instructional video on how to use the Glidelock feature on your deep sea, your submariners, or sea dwellers. So there's two different styles of glide locks. So starting off with the deep sea, which is the 116660. Locate the bracelet and the clasp. Clasp has the safety lock on there. Go ahead and open that up. Open up the folding as so. So the glide lock for the deep sea is a little bit different than the standard glide lock. What you have to do is actually pull at a 45-degree angle to pop out that bracelet. And at the top of the clasp, just simply pull up from the top and you'll see the riveted edges that you can drag the bracelet forward or backwards. Remember, the maximum is 20 millimeters is the farthest you can go. And all you have to do is just simply drag it out to the farthest, pop that out, and there you are. And if you need it a little bit tighter, then of course, just open up that top of that clasp again, push that inwards, snap it back in, and you're all set. So that's specifically for the deep sea. For the submariner or the sea dweller, this is the sea dweller I have here in my hand. This is the newer style one, the 126660, or apologize, 126600. And we'll go ahead and locate the bracelet, clasp in the back, open up that safety folding oyster, as so. Head over to the back of the clasp, pull at a 45-degree angle to pop out that bracelet. You'll hear a little snap out. And this one's just very simple. Just go ahead and drag forward or backwards. So very self-explanatory for the standard glide lock. Okay, so hopefully this video has helped you adjust the bracelet for your watch. If you're interested in any more instructional videos or comparison or standalone video reviews, check out our YouTube channel for more watch reviews. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.